To open a savings account online with Wells Fargo, start by visiting the Wells Fargo website and clicking on the Open an Account button. You will be asked to select the type of account you want to open. In this case, a savings account. Choose the Savings Account option and click on the Open Now button. You will be required to provide some personal and financial information, including your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and employment information. You will also need to provide a valid form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Next, you will need to fund your new savings account. You can do this by transferring money from an existing Wells Fargo account or from an account at another bank. You can also fund your account by using a credit or debit card. Once you have provided all the necessary information and funded your account, you will be asked to review and agree to the terms and conditions of the account. This includes the interest rate, fees, and other terms associated with the account. After you have reviewed and agreed to the terms, your new savings account will be opened and you will receive an account number and routing number. You can use this information to set up direct deposit, automatic transfers, and other account services. It is also important to note that Wells Fargo offers various types of savings accounts, including the Wells Fargo Way 2 Save Savings Account and the Wells Fargo Platinum Savings Account. Each account has its own unique features and benefits, so it is a good idea to compare the different accounts and choose the one that best meets your needs. Overall, opening a savings account online with Wells Fargo is a quick and easy process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and providing the necessary information, you can have a new savings account up and running in no time.